Hello everyone, my name is Mike McGowan, I'm the VP of Sales with Chime Technologies. And with me I have Brady, who is our team lead on our partner sales team. Brady and I joined Chime at basically the same time, a little over 2 years ago.
That's right.
And Brady has moved his way up. He's done a great job selling. He understands our platform. He understands, our real estate professional clientele. But in your words, maybe 30 seconds of what the experience has been like from start to now in Chime sales department.
Absolutely. So I started off here in October of 2018 as a frontline account executive. I came with a background of 4 years in SaaS sales and not much else. So I had to learn from the ground up. Fortunately, we have an incredible team here that provided some top line training for me to dive into the real estate industry, to learn about our product and how it fits within the greater context of who we're trying to help, which is real estate agents and brokers. We're trying to help them close more deals. So it's a really, really fun product to talk about. Over the last 2 years, I've moved from being an individual contributor to earning the opportunity to work with a team and help and grow and shape this partner team. Now my job is to find influencers in this space to help them come on board Chime and to set up models to reward them for being a megaphone in a proactive way for referring business our way. It's been an adventure and it truly has changed my life. If you're willing to come on board and give Chime a try, I can tell you it won't be easy, but it will absolutely be worth it. And as a byproduct of this, yesterday I was able to buy my first home for my fiance.
I was just about to ask, what'd you do yesterday? And not only did him and his fiance buy their first home, but he did it with a Chime client, with one of the real estate professionals he's helped grow their business with.
That's exactly right.
Yep. So all this video is to say is congratulations first and foremost, my friend.
Thank you very
awesome.
much.
And if you're interested in a really great sales career and you'd like to have a little bit of fun while you're doing it, let us know. Give us a call.
That's right.
Thank you.